Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about exam day tips. So, what you need to do on exam day? Sorry. So, exam day tips we will discuss. First thing, what you need to do on the exam day is that. So, your exam will start at 9:30. The exam timings will be 9:30. The exam will start. So, better you reach at least 30 minutes before the exam. 30 minutes before the exam. So, reach exam at 9 a.m. Exam center at 9 a.m. so that you will have habituated to the surrounding situations. So reach at 9 a.m. By 9:30 your exam hall gates will be closed. So by 9 a.m. if you reach there, you go and sit in your seat. They will provide you OMR sheets. First thing is first. Once you get the OMR sheet, first cross check OMR details with your hall ticket. Right. So hall ticket OMR sheet details should be matched. If they are not matching, your hall ticket number, name, spelling, father name, whatever the details are printed on the examination hall ticket, as well as OMR should match each other. If they are not matching, immediately inform invigilator. He will do something. He will either replace the OMR or he will ask for the new OMR. But first thing is first, you should check OMR sheet completely. If there is any mistake, do inform him. And you are not supposed to write anything, right? Hall ticket number, your name, or school name, something, your class, nothing should be written in hall ticket number because everything is clearly printed. And you're not supposed to do signature also. Only invigilator will do the signature, but you will do booklet series code or number that invigilator will tell you, as well as hall number. Whatever the instructions given by the invigilator to do on the OMR sheet, strictly follow that because they are most crucial part of your answer sheet. If your OMR is invalid, whatever the answers you wrote, even though you get full marks, that will not be counted for your number, hall ticket number. So OMR filling is very, 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 very important. First thing. And third, after you get your question paper, you are supposed to write your hall ticket number on the question paper. So hall ticket number on the question paper. This instruction, of course, your invigilator will give you this, but you are supposed to write hall ticket number on the question paper. Third and fourth instruction, you're not supposed to do any copying in the exam hall. If you try to copy or if you try to bring chits, sleep papers, so definitely you will be caught. And once you caught, you will be debarred from the exams. So you're not allowed to write the next exams, and this one year can completely cancelled. So please be careful. No slips, right? And fifth thing, this is very, very, very important. This, some students asked me in the class, so what is this? What if other students disturb us? What if other students continuously ask questions, answers in the exam hall? So do one thing. Once you enter into the examination hall, definitely they'll ask your name, your school name, and they will also tell their school name and how about your study subject. You tell them, I am very weak student, I'm an average student, so I am very struggling to get pass marks. With these words, what will happen, that student will understand that okay, you don't know anything, he will not try to disturb you. But if you tell him, I'm the topper of the school, I got very good marks in the pre-final, so I'm expecting good marks in the final exam also, I'm very good in at this subject. If you tell him like that, then definitely he will start scratching your back. So every time he will take the pen, he will scratch you. Please tell me that answer. Please tell me this answer. Please tell me this bit. So like that, he will try to disturb you always. Once if you get disturbed, two things will happen. First thing, you will not get proper answer in your brain. So it will create a panic in your brain. And second thing, suddenly if he is asking if you are answering him, suddenly the squad or observer looks at you, he can cancel your exam. So two things can happen. So be careful while doing this. Tell them well in advance before the exam, I'm very weak student, I'm an average student. You only please try to help me if there is a possibility. If you tell him, he will definitely will not disturb you. And fifth thing, drink enough water. This is very, very, very important. Before the exam, during the exam, if there is a provision that if you're not fasting, Ramzan fasting, if you're not following it, so drink enough water. Better For every 30 minutes you drink some sip of water, not full of stomach but a sip of water. Water will be provided in the examination also, that once you drink enough water in the exam hall your brain functions properly. So functions properly. This is very very important aspect. When brain functions properly you can remember everything, can remind everything in your brain. Whatever you studied all these days can easily be get. So once you drink enough water in the exam hall. And the sixth thing, have a dark chocolate before your exam, right? A sip of chocolate, dark chocolate. So you know what happens with this? This will reduce your brain pressure. Simple. Take 1 rupee chocolate and have it before you enter into the exam hall. After completing chocolate, go to exam hall so that your brain functions properly as well as pressure in your brain will reduce. So these two are very important during the exam. And tomorrow is the first exam, that is Telugu exam. So follow all the instructions. You are given 3 hours 15 minutes for your answer sheet question paper. The 15 minutes exclusively spent for reading the question paper, remember this. So question paper reading completely 15 minutes you should spend. You should read from top of the page to the last page. Not only questions, remember this. Not only questions, but you should also read instructions. Question paper instructions will be printed. They are very important because they will only tell you how many sentences answer should be written for each question. So, for example, if it is a 2 marks question, it will be written you are supposed to write 3 to 4 sentences answer. So, see that your answer contains 3 to 4 sentences. If it is 6 marks question, 6 to 8 sentences it will be written like that. So, you need to maintain this aspect for that. For that, you need to read the question paper instructions very carefully. So, 15 minutes time is allotted for reading the question paper. It is more than sufficient. 15 minutes completely spent on reading the question paper. Once you understand the question paper properly, then only you can get as per the question, you can write accurate answers. Accurate answers will give you full marks. So, from tomorrow onwards, I'll give you exam day tips, subject wise tips. For example, maths paper, how you need to attempt it, how you should write exam. Physics paper, how you need to attempt it, and what are the simple aspects to score good marks. This I will do before 1 day before the exam. So after English exam you can watch maths video, after maths exam you can watch physics video whenever you get bored, so that you'll understand. And this again, just half an hour before the exam, if you just have a glance through this video just by like a very speed video. So by increasing the speed you can get some idea. So in the subject wise videos I'll discuss where the students will do silly mistakes and where they lose half of mark like that. And I'll also discuss about the failure strategy so that they can get good marks by following certain strategy. That I will do subject wise. 1 day before the exam night, you can watch that video. I'll try to do that. So these are the exam day instructions. Please follow strictly. Reach on time. Have some water before the exam, during the exam, and have a chocolate before the exam. Don't try to discuss any answers with your friends. After the exam, also don't discuss with your question paper. Don't take the question paper. This answer is that. That answer is this. If you discuss like that, that will definitely affect your next exam. So don't do that. So what you do after the exam? Just throw the question paper. So keep the question paper away. Don't discuss with your friends. Don't call them and discuss what is the answer for first question, what is the answer for second question. This will create a panic, right? Just throw the question paper away and revise the next exam material. And one more thing, don't read anything new. This is, so take it as a 9 point. So you're not supposed to read anything new. Don't read new material now. So whatever you are already studied, whatever the notes you already studied, whatever the books, answers, material, notes, problems, whatever you have done, just revise them. That's it. Don't follow new book. Don't follow new answer. If some of your friend calls you, "Arey, Spectrum is a good book. Most of the questions repeated from the Spectrum." If he says like that, just leave them. You follow your own material. That will create a panic if you start reading a new material. The creation of panic in the brain automatically you lose all your marks, all your answers from your brain. It will go away. So please be careful about it. Okay. If I'm missing anything, please comment in the section. I'll do it. So watch this before the exam. Today night you watch this video again. Tomorrow before you going for the exam, just fast forward it and watch it so that you'll understand. You'll get some confidence. And all the best, for 365 days, not 365 days, but from month of June till today, you have studied very hard and you know all the answers. Only thing is what you just have to remember in the exam. So stay calm. When you become calm, automatically you'll get all the answers. Stay calm, stay calm. This is very important mantra. Stay calm. And do one thing, do your best. Right? Do the best and leave the rest. Remember this. Do the best and leave the rest because results will not be in our hands. But what is in our hands? Doing the best in our hands. Leaving the rest for the Almighty, to the God. So whatever you are doing in the exam, do your best. Do try to attempt all the questions. Try to give answers to all the questions. Don't leave any question behind. So try to attempt all the questions. Attempt according to the syllabus. Attempt according to the sorry subject. Sorry. Attempt according to the subject. You can score better marks. Whatever you're expecting, you can score that marks. Don't worry. Your duty is to just stay calm, stay focused. So before start of your exam, close your eyes, concentrate on breathing. So this will definitely fetch you good marks. Breathe. Please everybody follow this breathing exercise. So what do you do? Just before start of the exam, sit on your place. Sorry. Sit on your place. Close your eyes. So focus on breathing. Count your number of breathings. So just focus like that for 1 2 minutes. Automatically your brain pressure will reduce. If you are not getting any answer, this is very important. If you are not getting any answer, what you will do? Just close your eyes. Take deep breath. Take deep breath and slowly breathe out. Take slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out, and automatically you'll get all the answers after some time. So all the best. Thank you very much. If anything is left, if you want anything, somebody asked me about polynomials and graph, how to do the graph. I'll do that. Don't worry. I'll do and I'll post the videos related to maths. You can watch that videos in 1 hour relating to maths. All the videos after completion of your English exam. English exam. Thank you. Thank you very much.